Hey guys, welcome back to the videos. It's a awesome winter's day. Snow's falling. So I need to replace my broken keys. This is what it currently looks like. It's all electrical taped and I managed to purchase a new set from eBay. And I thought today would be an awesome day to try to replace it, and not only just replace it, but maybe customize it a little bit. The color I decided to choose for the cover is going to be yellow. This tag is now faded, but when I purchased the Evo, it had Evo on here, and I thought it'd be neat to replace it or spray paint the key fob yellow and then get rid of this yellow tag. So let's just take a look at what's in the packaging before we pull this guy apart. I also thought this would be a pretty good video because if you haven't opened up a Mitsubishi Key, this would be a good way to kind of get an idea of like what it looks like. So basically your key is the actual key, the transmitter, and that's pretty much it. When you get the replacement key, you get obviously the key itself, replacement buttons, and what's neat about this guy is it's got a screw that holds the key in place, so you don't have to go out and get this guy cut. You can if you want to. I might have to, but the way I see it is I'm just gonna break this guy. It's broken anyways, and see if I can just slot it back into where this existing key is, and I won't have to get it cut right away. The assembly is pretty simple. When you get a replacement key, you just put the old transmitter back in the new case and put the cover on, and that's it. But like I said today, I thought it'd be a cool idea to spray paint this guy. So we're gonna go ahead and undo this screw here and scuff it and spray it yellow. Alright, so the paint that I decided to go with is this Krylon Fusion all-in-one. As you can tell, it's a gloss sunbeam. What's nice about this paint is it's, you know, made for any surface, and it has a built-in primer in it, so that's why I went with it. So yep, that's the color that we're gonna go with. Let's see if it matches. It's pretty close, if not perfect. So you can see that there's a hole in it. On the original key, it looks like there's also a hole in it. So I'm hoping that the holes do line up so that it's a direct replacement. So there are some key differences. As you can see on the original key, it's flared out on the corners, whereas the replacement key is straight. So I'm probably gonna have to either file it down or grind it down. So that was a little bit unexpected. Looks like I got a little more work cut out for me. But while we're heating up this garage, I'll go ahead and see if I can grind this down so that they're the same. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, so off camera I was able to grind the key down. You can see, hopefully you guys can see that. That's the comparison. So I just used the grinder to grind the key down, and if we do a test fit, we can see that it fits now. We just have to put the key back. But now we're gonna go ahead and scuff this guy, and we're gonna spray the key fob. I got a Scotch-Brite scuffing pad, and I'm just gonna like lightly scuff the outside of the key fob so that we can get it ready for paint. Then I have some alcohol here that I'm going to use to clean it so that we can spray it. And you just kind of like want just like a light scuff, something that the paint can adhere to. Kind of doesn't seem like anything's happening, but it is. Alright, so I've made like a mini makeshift paint booth per se. Alright, so I've made like a little paint booth where I'm going to spray the key fob covers, and I'll just show you what I got there. So I have a fan, or the heater, got the paint, I got them all hung up, and I'm going to get ready to spray them. I'm going to do, I think, 3 coats. After I'm done the 3 coats, I'll take a look at it the following day and see it all, how it all came out. Alright, so I got the parts all painted up, and we're gonna just wait 24 hours, and then we'll come back and check them, and then we can do the assembly. Or we can just put it back together. Alright, so it's been 24 hours, and I had to look at the parts, and they came out real good. they're all done. They came out pretty good. I'm happy with how they came out. Look at that. So glossy, so yellowy. Anyways, so guess it's time to put these things together. Alrighty, so first we'll start with the buttons. Alright, there you have it. It's all assembled. Say it came out pretty good. Let's see if it matches the tag. Look at this, all put back together. Looks dope. So cool. Well, that wraps up another install. I'm super happy with this key. I think it came out really good. I do encourage you guys to go out and try it yourselves. Until then, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and take care.
Everything is not enough. Really hard, it's by the ocean.